light versus heavy feeder.
Yeah.
Heavy feeders. We talked about roses, right?
Yeah.
Heavy feeder.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm a heavy feeder. I like to eat.
You like to eat?
I like to eat.
Roses, tomatoes.
Yeah, heavy feeders.
Yeah, light feeders and heavy feeders means what that plant requires to grow well. Light feeders don't require a lot of heavy fertilizer.
Okay.
Heavy feeders do, and those tend to be our fruit and vegetable crops because we're wanting that fruit and vegetable, so you need more of the fertilizer to get that, needs more of that to build those tissues to make the fruit. And we have plants that don't require a lot of heavy fertilizers, and a lot of times those are our native plants.
Okay.
Like our butterfly weeds and
Good deal.
oh gosh, different sedums and cacti, things like that,
Okay.
that just don't require a lot of heavy feeding. A lot of our vegetables are heavy feeders.
But ferns.
Yeah, ferns, not so much if they're natives. No, But I'm thinking if you're growing a big Boston fern, if you want a lot of foliage, yeah, you want to pour the nitrogen to it, get a lot of foliage. It depends on the situation.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.